filming now. Say what you want. You have a minute.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. We are here on set, Buttonwillow Raceway. Beautiful day. It's gonna be like 60 in the morning, probably about 90 in the afternoon. So it's a nice spring day at Buttonwillow. Anyways, I went ahead and did a couple more modifications to the car. Built this front splitter. We'll see how this goes. See if the edges rub or whatever. Hopefully that helps out with
ankle biter right here.
Yeah, don't get chomped on there, but hopefully this helps out big time with the understeer issue that I was having. I got fresh Nankang AR1s on the front and rear, 295 30 R18s up front, 315 30 R18s in the rear on Apex wheels. These are the Apex EC7s.
Say it again so you don't get upset.
These are the Apex EC7 18x10s up front, and maybe they're 10 and a half, I forget, and 18 and 11 in the rear. Put the Sparko seat in here. Got the harnesses hooked up, so I'll be able to run my Hans and all that with the VAC stuff. Got the Studio RSR cage up there in the back of the car. Also got these cool little strap holders, Ren Scott ones. So yeah, hoping to do some good times today. My PB before was 155.1. I'd like to drop into the 52s with this proper aero. That's my goal, at least for today. Wing is on here. This is a Bimmer World GT More wing. You can see that it's pretty much zeroed out as far as the angle of attack. Depending on how it feels out on track, I may have to add a bit more downforce. We'll kick this down if I'm feeling the boot of the car stepping out at all. I'm on MCS two-way non-remote coilover suspension. Car is stock tune. Got like some intakes, that's about it. So yeah, pretty well stocked. Gyro disc rotors on the car with G-Lock R18 front pads and R10 track pads in the rear. just didn't have the braking zone there. I don't know. It felt weird. Went for a little ride. Honestly, I wish it was a little bit cooler out.
What happened?
I just went four off and sweeper.
Okay.
It's in the braking zone. I don't know. Either went too fast or it was.
I was gonna say not enough brake there.
Bad or it was a little slick. I don't know. I didn't have a lot of brakes, so.
Okay. So I'm gonna check the car real quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you back out if everything's okay. If you want back out, okay?
Okay. Sounds good.
Until I tell you to.
Okay. So 5503, I was really hoping to get into the 54s there. I was very, very close. My tires just have 37 PSI in the front, 35, 36, 36 is way too high. I want to be around like 30. It's almost 40 PSI. That's why I was starting to push so much. So I guess I should have started off a little bit lower PSI. That's probably why my braking zone kind of sucked too. So anyways, good times. Quick update on probably why I went off on sweeper. Arun in his E46, he actually blew his expansion tank. I felt like the track was slick there. Like it did not feel the same as the lap before. I'm gonna blame it on that. He said that's where his light came on. So maybe it was wetted or juiced up down there because it felt very, very slick. And yeah, the braking just wasn't the same. So anyways, went ahead and did first lap was a 55.63. That was out after the out lap, and then a 55.03, and then I came in for pits because I went off the following lap. And yeah, the car felt good. I had like 37 PSI in the tires. It got up there very, very quick. It's already getting semi-hot out, and the track conditions are pretty junk. A lot of dirt on Phil Hill. Not super grippy on cotton corners yet. So anyways, when it gets cleared off, hopefully it gets a little better. Yeah, shooting for those 54s. I'd like to get even faster than that, but we will see. Optimal says at 54.82 right now, so let's send it.
P2 in race, stepping up from track for the 155.013 in session 1. We have Mr. Blake Titus.
All